Hey guys, this is EYL and 2 alarms, and this will be system test 47, or fire alarm system test 47. So let's get started. Anyway, we have the panel. You can see right here, there's our attic heat detector reset switch or disable enable switch in our cause mod. So I won't be testing the attic heat detector today, nor the restroom heat detector today, because you've seen it multiple times. You've seen the restroom heat detector activate multiple times, and you've seen this the attic heat detector activated once, but I'm not gonna do it today. So just to let you know. So our cause mod 4W, our cause mod 4W, or I'm sorry 2W, not 4W, but we still have the same 20. We have the 2424 here still. We have an EST Genesis EG1R or G1R FHDVM. I think this is a Mertone one. It's a horn strobe. I'm not sure you can see it in here, but the horn is actually in there. And it's going to be doing code 3 by itself. And I think I had this set to, Candela setting right here. I'm not sure you can see it, but I think it says 75 Candela on there. We have the FCI MS6, the system tester SW, or the special advanced SW. That's a 15/75 Candela. We have our Edwards 278B1120. We still have the Alexa roach strobe. The restroom heat detector, which will not be testing today. We have the notifier MBG12L annunciator. And we have the EST Genesis chime strobe. This is not a horn strobe, this is a chime strobe. This is a model G1RF-CVM. And I'm not sure you can see that down there, but the Candela, it's at the third Candela. So yeah. And we still have the Cosmo 2W, smoking CEO. Yeah. So, okay. So we're going to activate the Edwards pulsation, the 278 1120, I think 278B 1120. Here we go. The signature does continuous. Shut that while I'm here. Okay. Silence that. Now the giant string only does continuous. Now I think you have this on a Genesis Signal Master or Duco 3, but I'm not sure. We'll reactivate with a notifier. Go ahead and reset the notifier pulsation. Strips in the back need to be replaced, but whatever. Oh, 1 second. Alright. And go ahead and reset our system to the indicator. Okay. So we're going to now do the MS6 or the FCI MS6. And Its pull is like a BG8, so here we go. Silence from the panel. 1 second. Silencing. Now you notice this relay here, that's for something. And that'll be in the next test, but this relay is actually for something here. But you'll see it in the next test. So yeah, so we got frontal pulsation activated. Let me just reset that pulsation real quick. And then we'll do our smokes. We're gonna basically just basically pushing the test button. That's about it. I'm not gonna smoke test them today because I don't want to waste any of the smoke testing cans I have. So anyway, okay, right, okay. Okay. And we'll reset from the panel. Reset from the 10UD. Okay, well I'll tell you what this relay is. This is actually for audio. So this white wire is coming from my PA system or the PA amplifier. And this is actually switching the contacts in here to actually switch over to the voice evac, kind of like Walmart does when they have their safe path system with the Wheelock S8 speaker strobes. It's kind of the same thing here. Is that it switches over, but you'll see that in the next test. Anyway, if you're wondering, yes, it's going to be voice evac, but yeah. Anyway, we'll go ahead now, and we're actually going to test the 2424. Okay. Now I'm going to test the 2424. Alright, here it is. The 2424. Here we go. Slides from the outsider. Okay. And it's activated. And we'll go ahead and reset from the panel here. Okay. And last but not least, we're going to do the i4. I'm not doing, like I said before, I'm not doing the heat detectors today. So, I think we might just do a little walk test, just for the heck of it. So here is the i4. So this is going off too. This also goes off until you reset it. It won't be quiet until you reset the panel, but I'll show you the module. Here's the module. Stay in zone 5. And now we're going to reset. That resets the module too. Okay, so I think now we're going to do a walk test. So there's that. Forgot how the system's set up, I guess. There we go. Walk test. We're going to do audible. So reactivate our notifier. The keys here. They're over here. All right, there it is. There's that. And do this again. Okay, so that was on 5. So, yeah, you want to know what the MS10 looks like in block tests? There. So, I'll go ahead and escape. And that should be it. So, lock the panel here. So that's it, guys. That was System Test 47, or Fire Alarm System Test 47. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I also have, if you want to make requests, upcoming requests for System Test 50 or Honeywell Vista Test 24, please join my Discord server, my YouTube channel Discord server, to make requests. So, yeah. And also, for those of you wondering, I also have another Fire Alarm Community Discord server open as well. That's not related to my channel, but it's ready for anyone who is actually a fire alarm enthusiast like me. And so, yeah, that will be also in the link would also will be down in the description as well. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.